If you're into crypto and have been interested in what this new decentralized world has to offer you, then you must have also heard of NFTs. And if you did hear of NFTs, then you must know of the riches many are gaining from investing in them. And you could be wondering, is it too late to ask what NFTs truly are? Well, welcome to Crypto Genie's Crash Course, and in this video, we will be explaining to you in detail what NFTs are, how they work, and how come people are going nuts about them. So buckle up and let's get right into it. What is NFT? NFT stands for a non-fungible token, and they are cryptographic assets on blockchains that have been created since 2015, and their popularity is ever increasing. NFTs have evolved from ERC 721, which allows distributing and exchanging of gaming tokens by defining ownership, metadata, and security. Each NFT is unique because it has its own metadata and identification code. What does this mean? Well, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are considered fungible tokens, which means that each one BTC is exactly like any other BTC. You can trade or exchange one BTC for anything of the same value. Fungible tokens are identical. On the other hand, non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are unique. This functionality of an NFT gives it the potential for many use cases. Let us say you are a digital artist and created an image, a video, or even a sound file. Anyone can download and use your digital art, but if it is an NFT, then only one person can actually own it. NFTs are now being widely used in the gaming industry, in the metaverse's real estate, and in different kinds of digital art and music. With NFTs, artists, whether in music, videos, or digital art, are now able to connect straight away with their audience without the need to have an intermediary between them. NFTs have opened up the way for a whole new market. How do NFTs work? The main features of every NFT are: 1. It is a digital asset created on a blockchain and it represents something else. 2. It is unique, irreplaceable, and cannot be forged. 3. It is exchangeable and can be purchased and sold. There are several NFT exchanges where you can purchase or sell NFTs with cryptocurrencies. So how do they work? Well, most of the NFTs are on the Ethereum blockchain, which is a public ledger, where all transactions are recorded for the public to see. Since each NFT is unique, its ownership is easily validated, and it is easy to transfer each of the non-fungible tokens from one owner to another. Kinds of NFTs. Most of the current NFT market is all about collectibles, and those include digital art and even sports cards. One of the NFTs that people are most hyped about is NBA Top Shot, where NFTs commemorate NBA moments in the form of a digital card. Some NBA Top Shot NFTs have been sold for millions of dollars. Digital art is also one of the biggest use cases of NFTs. In 2021, the artist known as Beeple managed to sell his NFT, dubbed as First 5,000 Days of Work, for more than $69 million, which set a record as the most expensive digital art ever sold. The Bored Ape Yacht Club is another NFT creator that has a collection of 10,000 Bored Ape NFTs. The Bored Ape number 8817 has been sold for $3.4 million. Another huge NFT use case is in the gaming industry of the play-to-earn genre. In those games, the player will be able to own the in-game assets like the characters, the weapons, the virtual lands, and much more. Each of them is its own NFT. Those play-to-earn games are launched on blockchains and powered by their in-game assets in form of NFTs, making everything a player owns unique, valuable, and tradable. Axie Infinity is one of the most famous play-to-earn NFT-based games where players own digital pets called Axies to play the game. Metaverse projects are also using NFTs for people to own and trade in the metaverse marketplace. NFTs in metaverses like Decentraland can range from avatars to the digital land or any other virtual objects used. Artists of all sorts, including musicians, are also using NFTs, and this is allowing their fans to invest in the music they like. The first bands that released an album as an NFT were the Kings of Leon, giving incentives to the owners. How to buy NFTs. If you would like to take part in the profitable NFT world, you can head to one of the marketplaces dedicated to trading NFTs like OpenSea, Rarible, and SuperRate. You need to have Ether, Ethereum's token, to purchase an NFT, since most NFTs are on the Ethereum blockchain. The marketplaces usually have an auction system in which you can place a bid for an NFT. What do you think is the most exciting use case for you when it comes to NFTs? Are you willing to dive in and put your money on a digital asset that might make you someday rich? Let us know your thoughts about NFTs in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to never miss content such as this one. See you in the next video.